How to fix Google Chrome screen flickering in Windows. 1. Disable wallpaper slideshow and automatic accent color on Windows. 1.1 Use picture or solid color. 1.2 Set manual to accent color. 2. Disable Chrome hardware acceleration. 3. Set OpenGL to choose angle graphics backend at Chrome//flags. 4. Set graphics preference for Chrome. Like this. 5. Find potentially harmful software using Chrome. 6. Update or reinstall. Graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 7. Reset Google Chrome.